Right, how to factorize. This is the first step. Identify how many terms there are. And then number 2, break down the terms. Number 3, take out the common factor. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you. First, factorize 4y minus 8. So how many terms are there? Step 1, there are 2 terms, 4y and minus 8, negative 8, alright? Step 2, break down the terms. So 4y, if you break it down, it can be 1 times 4y. Another way you can break it down is 4 times y. Correct? Okay. So that's the only way. I mean, there are other ways as well. It can be 2 times. You can have 2 times 2y. That's also another way you can break it down. Right? We used whole numbers to break it down. Another term, negative 8, you can break it down with 1 times negative 8. Correct? You can also have 2 times negative 4. Or you can have 4 times negative 2. Okay, remember this is a negative number, so there will be a negative somewhere. You can also have, we can also have the other way around, which is 8 times negative 1, which is the other way of 1 times negative 8. So that's step number 2. Step number 3, take out the common factor. The common factor, basic one, we have 1. Okay, but taking out 1 will not change anything. So we choose another common factor. You can take out 2. 4y has a factor 2 here. Negative 8 has a factor 2 here. But this is not the best factor to take out. We always pick the highest common factor. So we have 2y here is a factor of 4y, but there's no y in negative 8. So 2y is not a factor for both of the terms. Y is not a term as well, a common factor between the two terms. The only other option is 4. 4 is a factor of 4y. 4 is also a factor of negative 8. So we can actually take 4 out. So we take out the common factor. This is the common factor you have. When you take this out and put it outside the bracket, then after you're taking out 4, you have the remaining y here. And then follow the question. There's a negative, so you follow is negative, just like this. You have negative 2 left. Right? Negative 2, so you write negative 2 here. And you close the bracket. Check any other common factors. Don't have, then you're done. This will be the final answer.